No joke.
Yeah, nah. It's different. It's recording, by the way.
There's a Hey, I got you. Hold on. That's cool.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, you put them in. I was about to say, I was like, is this the big joint? We just eating and not even got ham.
Good look, buddy.
Hold up.
Oh, you got 2 of the chicken? What's that?
Apple, cinnamon, 5.
What you doing?
Hold up.
It's recorded?
Yeah.
I ate that nigga.
Let's just do a would you rather?
Oh my soul, bro.
That nigga was starving.
That was cool.
I'm talking about Ron.
Oh,
Look at the back. That nigga.
fat ass. That nigga ugly. You're like a shark.
No. Look it up, man.
Yeah. Alright. We need to do an intro.
Fuck it. Start right now.
We gotta do it again.
I'm
I'ma just do it.
As long as one take, yeah.
But we can just do it real quick. I don't got food. I'm not crushing like how y'all are.
That's what I'm saying. We have to keep this in because we already eat the food, so we might as well.
What?
Nah.
Alright, look. We about to do it would you rather, but we
It's a mukbang.
It's
mukbang.
both.
Yeah. You already started.
Yeah, we got.
That's all.
Alright. Would you rather have the ability to control people or have the ability to control time?
Control time.
You feel like, yeah, control time, cause
Me too.
Loki?
I stopped my grandma.
Yeah,
I'm
I
getting old.
time, yeah, all that.
Alright.
Your grandma funny as hell.
Would you rather sound like Kermit or look like Miss Piggy? Why are these funny? It's just lame.
Nah. Miss Piggy.
Miss Piggy?
Miss Piggy.
You look like Miss Piggy?
What Miss
Kermit
Piggy look like?
sound crazy. He sound
They said Miss Piggy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sounding like Kermit.
If I'm gonna be a female, if I'm gonna be Miss Piggy, I'm gonna be a lesbian.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga. Alright.
Yeah.
Would you rather always get caught in traffic? Like always get stuck in traffic? Or always have a really slow internet connection? I'm getting caught in that damn traffic,
Yeah,
nah.
Y'all know how I feel to get that bad internet connection.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Alright. Would you rather be in a car accident that kills only you, or be responsible for a car accident where you live, but your 5 closest friends and family members die?
Wait, hold on. Wait, what?
Yeah. Would you rather be in a car accident that kills only you, or be responsible for a car accident where you live, but your 5 closest friends and family die? I'm dying.
Yeah. It's probably lit after death anyway.
No, I got one. Hold on. I got one.
Would you? My fault.
But I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Would you rather get rich through hard work, or get rich through winning the lottery? I'm taking get rich through
Hard work.
yeah, hard work.
I got damn, I can eat this. I can't say mine. Nah, I got one.
Bro, say it.
Chill. All right. Would you rather become famous with no friends, or poor and everyone love you? Like you got day ones.
I'm gonna be poor.
Poor? Like you at the top, but nobody fuck with you.
Fuck them. I want to be poor. Well, actually, it depends. Cause I don't really. Well, how you put it, I'm gonna be poor. But like, if I blew up by myself, fuck y'all. I don't need y'all. I did that myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't need y'all to fuck with me.
Fuck us?
I'm just saying how you put it. But if you put it like you said, day ones with you, I'm gonna be poor. But if I blew up by myself,
like you sacrifice your day ones to be at the top.
oh nah, I'm gonna be poor. Like I said. Would you rather live a long life broke or live a short life rich?
Long life, bro. I don't know.
Fuck no, I'm living that short life.
Yeah, it depends on what you mean short. Like, cool, 40 years, 30 years. I live that rich.
I feel that. Would you rather fine $5 or have your local WNBA team win the championship?
$5.
Would you rather have your memory doubled or have your IQ doubled?
Low-key, no. But I feel like smart ass niggas, you feel yourself a little too hard. Like, say you double the IQ and you know that you like, nigga, my IQ double. Like, I'm really smart. Like, why you arguing with me? And I feel like that just make me an asshole.
I don't lie, I need to ask you too.
I can't.
Run. Yeah. Would you rather go back?
You can answer yours too.
I am answering them.
What you would rather, IQ or?
I ain't gonna lie.
I would do my memory.
Yeah, me too. Would you rather go back in time and meet your ancestors, or go forward in the time and meet your great grandkids?
I don't want to go back in time.
Yeah, I want to meet my ancestors.
I feel that.
I don't fuck with the future. Like, that shit scare me a little kid.
Yeah.
I don't want to know what happened in the future.
I didn't be lit for them, though.
Yeah, them meet us. Yeah, oh god, they be like, yeah.
Nigga, I'm like my great grandfather.
In the future, basic.
And he was young.
That's lit.
That's hard. Would you rather be a sports star or be a celebrated academic? I'm being a sports star. Yeah.
Fuck a celebrated academic.
Oh god. Would you rather spend your life in prison or be homeless all your life?
And because prison is like school. I probably spend it in prison. Prison is like, well, it's worse than school, of course, but it's like homeless. You gonna be down bad every day. At least you got a secure meal in prison. But prison dangerous.
Oh God, you might die in that bitch.
But if you fuck with the right people, if you fuck with the right people, you could really do some shit in prison. Like, you could get like niggas be what's it called, pulling phones and all that.
Yeah.
I'd be on live in prison.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm going to prison too, cuz. What you doing?
Huh? What you doing?
I said prison.
You in prison? Yeah. Nah. You nasty, but I ain't gonna hold you.
Ooh, you dirty bitch.
That motherfucker crushing. Ain't gonna lie, I don't want these biscuits no more.
They're just dry as hell. Don't eat them in here.
Would you rather have more time or more money?
Ooh. More time and more money?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a hard one. Low-key, more money
time.
because, nah. The only reason I won't say more time is because I'm gonna have more time, but the people around me not gonna have more time. So if I get more time, I'll be lonely at the end of the day.
Wait, what you mean by more time?
You get more time in life.
Life?
Yeah, my life.
Oh.
Because my niggas, I'm gonna see all my niggas die.
Yeah, get money. Yeah, I feel that.
You know. Is it selfish that I low-key, when I get a wife, I wanna die before her? Because I don't wanna live alone?
What do you mean by that?
I can't see her die.
I can't see my grandma die.
You rather have a pause or rewind button?
Ooh.
Pause.
Yeah,
No, rewind. Rewind.
Nah, if you
Bro, think about this. Look,
No.
nigga, you got a conversation with Kanye. You say some bullshit in front of him.
But think about
Rewind
this.
that bitch and do it again.
If you have a pause button, you basically got super speed in it. You could pause the world. Go somewhere.
Nigga.
Damn. Say you late for a party. Like, nigga, some shit about to go on. You like, hold on.
I could rewind that bitch and get the fuck out the jam. Nigga,
Yeah, ain't gonna lie.
get the fuck up out the jam. I'm out of there.
I say you getting shot.
Would you rather lose your vision or lose your hearing?
I already lost my vision.
That nigga cannot see. I ain't gonna lie, my hearing.
Yeah, my hearing.
My hearing, cause I gotta see shit.
All right, would you rather attend a boring class with an attractive teacher, or an interesting class but a ugly teacher? Give me that.
Oh wait, a boring class with an attractive teacher?
Yeah, give me that attractive teacher,
No lie.
cuz. I be spicing that class up.
Yeah, nah. If it's boring, it's probably it ain't gonna be boring. If she attractive, a boring class with an attractive
It's
teacher,
not gonna be boring.
it may be boring, but like, nigga, I'm
But
staring at her.
at the
That shit
same
gonna
time, it's not gonna be
be
boring.
yeah.
Cause everybody's gonna be going crazy.
Yeah.
All right, for your birthday, would you rather get gifts or money?
Money.
Money on common.
It depends what gift.
About this.
It depends what gift.
It's like
anything you want for a gift.
I get money,
Like
so I can
shoes.
not because
Both.
it's
It
like
depends, 'cause
sometimes
I get both because
no, you can't get both. It's a weird.
I'm saying like from different people. You know what I mean? But if it was like, nah, you got only one, give me the money of how much the shit costs.
I know gifts is more like because if you give somebody money for their birthday, that's what like fucked up, low key.
I look, nah, this is for females. Cause a lot of females, they don't like money. They like you to put thought into it. Like
Yeah,
us
that's
with males,
Just give me the money.
Yeah, we
let me
like
treat-
money,
'cause
yeah.
sometimes I want something and I don't want that. And instead,
Yeah.
let me just pick what I want.
yeah, basically. So
All right, this is a good one. Would you rather take a trip down to like the deep sea, or would you rather explore
Nah.
space?
I'm exploring space.
Space.
Cause
The
fuck the
sea
sea.
scares me. Yeah,
Hell nah.
Fuck the sea.
that
Fuck the
shit
sea.
ain't gonna lie. You know that niggas saying there's aliens in the sea? Like niggas
Yeah, he
that
told
look
me that.
like aliens. In
On
the
some real
sea.
shit.
Yeah,
I believe that.
On God, nigga, the sea is like you can't even see that.
Nigga, only 5% of that bitch.
Yeah, fuck no. We got some weird ass.
Yo, see if you watching this, fuck you, nigga.
Cam going straight, bro.
That nigga want beef with the sea. Oh hell nah.
No cap. I ain't going there now. I don't even like the beach.
Nah, the beach low key hard.
Fuck the beach.
Ain't- It's good to you?
They been hitting.
A lot.
Who you? That's a bad question.
Now, on some real shit though.
Would you rather be in jail for 5 years or be in a coma for a decade?
Be in jail.
5 years.
I'm gonna like, give me the jail.
In jail?
Just so I could be like, damn, if I get out of the jail, like niggas be like, damn, that nigga really went to jail. So you can't fuck
And he
me.
stays solid.
Yeah.
I don't know, cause niggas.
And
I
a
don't
coma
know.
for 10 years. Nigga,
12.
12? Yeah, nah.
They said
Hell
10,
nah.
they said for a decade.
Oh,
If you
oh,
if you
yeah.
wake up, you literally waking up to a whole new life.
I thought you said a dozen.
least-
Yeah, give
At
me.
least jail, yeah, nah.
That's
nah.
a fact.
You don't
I
know
didn't
what the
think
fuck
about
going
that.
on.
Yeah, nah.
Nah, never that. You good?
Nigga, some fire cut. You ate off of this?
Yo, you got all them, and you just dropped the biscuit, bum ass nigga.
Cold as fuck out there though.
Nah. Would you rather? I feel like everyone asks this question. Would you rather be? Oh no, I said would you rather? What's the first thing you doing if you become a female? Like you wake up a female.
I'm playing my titties.
I'm exploring myself.
I'm exploring myself.
Fuck no.
I'm
not putting shit. You said
I'm
only one. God damn, y'all.
I feel
dirty
like
as
females
hell.
would do the same thing. Females are.
Do the same thing if they was.
When I be
Nigga,
asking females,
females be wanting dicks now.
yeah, nah. When
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We just got done eating. As y'all can see,
It's recording.
Yeah, we lazy as hell right now.
yeah, camera died.
The camera died.
And it died.
But that shit was hard.
when it was it died when we were talking.
We started.
When you
The last question they seen was, what would you do if you was a female for the day? I said play with my titties.
yeah, I would explore myself. So that's it.
Y'all tripping, cuz.
But
But yeah,
that's
that's
it.
just
that's just gonna be the vid.
Yeah, we just wanted to do an actual outro before